Here's how to download the App Store on your iPhone. Now, let's just say you currently don't have the App Store like me right here. I currently do not have it. I'm going to show you how to download it. It's pretty simple. Just follow this video to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Without further ado, the first thing we're going to do is the app is currently not on my phone. Now, there's a few ways to do this, but the first way, you just want to swipe all the way over, and you want to search for the app library. As you can see right here, these are all the apps literally ever on my phone, and you just want to search for App Store. Once you do that, as you can see, the App Store is currently on my phone, and you can just open it like so. Once you open it, that is how you do the App Store, but if you want to find it another way, you go to your home screen like this, and swipe down from the top, and just type in App Store. And if you just want to add this to your home screen, you just hold on it, and then you click on the drag option. You just drag this off of this page and it will basically be added to your screen like so. And as simple as that to download the App Store from the iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like down below and subscribe so we can be the most subscribed egg on YouTube.